knockout percentage of 60%. Miguel, here's how the fight ended.
Yeah, he hit him with a huge uppercut that Steve Willis, he was going to stop it in the last round, but he saw Michael was fighting back a little bit, so he decided to give him the break to the round. But he knew, like you said, right, he was on a short leash, and I think one or two big punches, and Willis was going to end it right
Vicious
there.
left uppercut, followed by a right, and Steve Willis wisely jumps in the way.
Yeah, I'm
And,
surprised because I think my prediction is a one hit. Maybe, you know, I'm strong, man. Inoue!
Yeah, the real monster,
Inoue!
baby, the real
Come on,
monster.
man! You are a monster, motherfucker! No, you are no monster. You are a Chinese, Japanese turtle. No monster, man. Inoue he scared me. Fuck, motherfucker! Come on, you next. You know, Doc Micah is not he knocked him out today. You are knocking him out today. You know, he fight Jason Maloney me, but I don't fight him because I know that's easy for me because I want Inoue. But you know, Inoue he fight the Jason Maloney. That easy, man.
But if he wins, do you think your fight can be put back together?
Hey.
Yeah.
The champ's right here. He's always here. Inoue the one that ran away this
I'm-
time. They didn't want to fight whatever it was, the date we had coming up. They picked Maloney, an easy target. They could have took Casimiro.
Yeah.
They didn't take him.
Yeah.
So Casimiro's here for Rigondeaux. He's here for Neary. He's here for Inoue. Any of them. You saw the monster.
Come on,
This is
man.
the monster.
Show you
The real
where to
monster,
do.
baby.
Okay, we don't have any questions in queue for you from the press. Give it one more chance. If you use the raise hand function, if you want to ask John Casimiro a question. Steve, Angelis, please unmute. Go ahead.
Hi, John. Steve Angeles from ABS-CBN. Anong gusto mo sabihin sa mga Filipino natin? Good fight. Everyone's proud of you right now. Anong mensahe mo for the Philippines?
Yun, Tagalog na. Yun. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin sa Quadro Alas at sa lahat ng nagdadasal sa akin. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng Pinoy na sumusuporta sa akin at sa naniwala sa akin at lalo na kay Senator Manny Pacquiao, Sean Gibbon, and Al Himon. At sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin, One Athletic, Wow Philippines, Boss Willie King, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng sumusuporta at sa mayor sa amin sa Ormoc, Mayor Richard Gomez and Ma'am Lucy Torres, and also Mayor Lando Villasencio, and my family, Reponte family, Casimero family, Pedra family, and also my team, Quadro Alas, Stephen Donas, Jason Casimero, and Bones Adam. Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng team ko at yun po, natagumpay namin yung laban at laban to para sa bayan.